Hey everybody. So this is cool. My one of my packages came today from an auction that I won, an online auction on AuctionZip. This was for a bunch of new old stock model trains. And I wanted to do an unboxing video for you guys. And I opened the box and I moved one of the boxes for a second and I realized I need to be recording this. So let's pretend that this box is fully closed. Doopy-doo. Oh, wow, look. All right, so here we go. Now, I don't remember how many I bought. I think I bought 3 or 4 lots. So I'm gonna take this. We can see this here. The barcode's on the other side. This is locomotive kit, HO scale. I'm gonna set that over here. And then we've got, let's see. Nice thing is all these free packing peanuts. We've got a Bachmann DCC equipped locomotive, DCC on board. Very cool. Now I researched all of these before I put any bids in because I needed to at least double or triple my money. So every single one of these is worth at least 2 to 3 times what I paid for it, which is about $20 per. So they're going for 60 to 100. This is an authentic 1/87th scale, HO scale. I don't know anything about trains, so I could be saying that wrong. Could be Ho scale, but I just don't know. I've got cool old stuff on the back, but I mean, look at this, pristine condition. Pristine. And this is, I don't know when this was made. I don't want to really mess with this box very much because it's in such good shape. Yeah, even wrinkling the plastic is worrying me. So I'm going to set this guy over here. Let's go back over. All right. So it looks like, oh, here we go. Here's another little one on the side. This is another one of those. So this is a different train that looks just like kind of the same one I just got last time, new in package, new old stock. So let's set that one there. So that is that guy. And let's grab, so that one looks like it's, sorry, camera, bad camera. This one looks like it's under these 3. So let's see what this is. So again, an Atlas Ho gauge. I'm gonna call it Ho gauge. Union Pacific. This says sale, $39.99. Look at that sad face for sale. Nice. Oh, regular price versus sale price. I get it. Did not pay that at all for these. I think I paid about $5 per. So let's set that there. Let's see here, and I've got this one. Another guy, another one of those set, a Ho gauge. Ho gauge looks like a caboose, but it's probably not a caboose. Okay. Look at this guy here. The plastic's a little bit cracked, but other than that, it's in good condition. I worry that that happened in transit because this was pushing up really hard against the plastic when I pulled it out of the box. Not sure if you guys saw that. We've got this one here, another one of those. Gotta start being careful how I stack these. Okay, so let us see what else I have got. Whoa, this is a big box. This is a big one. Let me clean this off a little bit. Okay. Now this has got a California sticker on it saying this causes cancer defects. I forget the prop something. I have to put those labels on stuff I design at work. So I'm wondering if that was put on like just after the fact to be safe, or if this is a fairly old or new product. It's got a website on it, an email, so it can't be that old, but still worth it. Worth a lot of money. That guy over here. This guy's big. All right, and a heavy one. Western Freightland, Maryland. Very cool, brand new in box. There were about 900 lots in this auction, and a lot can have as many items as they want in it. Some of the lots I bought had 5 or 6, or 3 or 4. Some were just single lots. Some of them I stopped bidding on because the price was getting too much to where I wasn't really going to turn a profit. But the cool thing is I get to keep this box and all these packing peanuts. Thanks for watching.